Welcome. This is the 9 Dimes Project. Today's video, credit cards, how to build an 800 credit score before you turn 20. So credit cards are either the best financial tool you'll ever have or the fastest path to debt disaster. The difference is knowing how to use them. Today we're showing you exactly how to build an 800 credit score before you turn 20. This isn't about spending money you don't have, but use the system to your advantage. So we're not financial advisors, and this isn't financial advice, but this is information that you could use. Because last time I checked, nobody was teaching this in school. So why credit matters and why starting young is a game changer. Your credit score affects everything. Apartment applications, your landlords are going to check your credit. Car loans, interest rates. The better your credit, the lower your interest rate. And future mortgage rates, 1% difference is $50,000 plus over 30 years. Even some job applications check your credit. And insurance rates. So here's a credit score breakdown. 300 to 579 is poor credit. 580 to 669 is fair. 670 to 739 is good. 740 to 799 is very good. And 800 to 850 is excellent. So why starting now is a massive advantage. 15% of your score is length of credit history. A card opened at 16 to 18 gives you a 10-year history by your late 20s. People who wait until 25 are years behind. So the compound effect of good credit is better rates. Means there's thousands saved over your lifetime. More opportunities is better apartments, better car deals, and credit card rewards equals free money if you pay in full. All right, the rules and how to get started. Credit cards are only beneficial if you follow these rules. Rule number 1, never spend money you don't have. If it's not in your bank account, don't put it on the card. Treat it like a debit card that builds your score. Rule number 2, pay the full balance every month. Not the minimum, the full balance. Minimum payment has interest charges attached to it, and that's a death spiral. So set up auto pay for full balance. Keep utilization under 30%, ideally under 10%. So $1,000 limit means keep the balance under $300 or ideally $100. High utilization hurts your score even if you pay in full. And rule number 4, close your oldest card, or never close your oldest card. Even if you don't use it, keep it open. Use it once every 6 months to keep it active. Rule number 5, don't apply for too many cards at once or anything having to do with credit. Each application is a hard inquiry, and that's going to drop your score temporarily. Space applications 6 or more months apart. Start with one card. If you're under 18, ask a parent to add you as an authorized user on their card, and you don't even need to use the card. Their payment history starts building your credit. So by 18, you could have 2 to 3 years of credit history already. It's 100% legal. So if you're 18 and 19, one card, Discover It, student cash back is easiest approval, no annual fee, and they double your cash back the first year. Capital One Journey, no annual fee, easy approval. Or get secured cards. If you can't get approved, put down $200 to $500 deposit as your limit. So the strategy is one card, use it for one small recurring purchase, Netflix, Spotify, your phone bill. Set up auto pay for full balance and don't touch it otherwise. And so the credit building timeline. Month 1, get your first card and get added as an authorized user. Months 1 to 6, use card for one small recurring purchase only, $10 to $30 per month. Put it on auto pay for a full balance. It's going to get you low utilization, perfect payment history. Then month 6, check your score. It's free at Credit Karma or Discover, and should be 650 to 700 plus if you follow these rules. Month 8 to 12, consider adding a second card, a different network. If the first is Discover, get a Visa or a MasterCard. So more available credit is a lower utilization ratio. So ongoing, never miss a payment, keep utilization low, let time do the work. By age 20, have 2 to 4 years of credit history, 750 plus credit score, and way ahead of everyone else. The goal, by your early 20s, have the credit card or the credit file of a responsible 30-year-old. All right. So for more wealth help, we have these wealth builder tools, 100% free, links in the description. So in the comments, do you have a credit card yet? And what question do you have? On Monday, we're wrapping up June, and we'll be looking at how travel actually makes you richer. All right, wealth builders, keep building wealth. We'll see you in the next one.